Hello, everyone. I'm Martha.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jonas.
We're happy you're here with us today.
Very happy. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Today, we're just talking. Simple conversation. Real life English.
Yes, nothing fancy, just how people talk every day.
Jonas, how are you feeling right now?
I feel calm, but a little tired,
Why tired?
because my day started very early today.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 in the morning.
That is early. Do you usually wake up at 6?
On weekdays, yes. On weekends, no.
Same for me. Weekdays are early. Weekends are different.
When you wake up at 6, how do you feel?
Honestly, I feel sleepy. I don't want to get out of bed.
Me too. Getting out of bed is the hardest part.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I use 2 alarms.
2 alarms?
Yes, 1 alarm is not enough for me.
I understand that. Sometimes I turn off the alarm and sleep again.
I do that too, then I panic.
Yes, then you feel stressed.
After waking up, I stay in bed for a few minutes.
What do you do during that time?
I think about the day. Sometimes I check my phone.
I check my phone too, but I try not to scroll too much.
I scroll too much. It's a bad habit.
Many people do that.
After that, I slowly get out of bed.
Do you stretch?
Yes, I stretch my arms and back.
Stretching feels good.
Yes, it helps my body wake up.
What's the first thing you do after leaving the bed?
I make my bed.
Every day?
Most days.
Why do you make your bed?
It makes the room look clean. It also makes me feel organized.
That's true. A clean room feels nice.
After that, I go to the bathroom.
Same here.
I brush my teeth first.
Me too. Morning breath is terrible.
Yes, brushing teeth is very important.
After brushing your teeth, what do you do?
I wash my face.
Cold water or warm water?
Cold water.
You're brave.
It's hard, but it wakes me up.
I use warm water. Cold water feels painful.
After washing my face, I take a shower.
Do you ever skip a shower?
No, I take a shower every morning.
Me too. I can't start my day without a shower.
What kind of shower do you like?
Warm shower, not too hot.
I like hot showers.
Hot showers feel relaxing.
Yes, especially in winter.
After the shower, I dry myself and get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
Comfortable clothes, something simple.
Jeans and a top?
Yes, or sometimes a dress.
I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you think about clothes a lot?
Not really. Comfort is more important.
I agree.
After getting dressed, I go to the kitchen.
Breakfast time.
Yes, I'm always hungry in the morning.
What do you usually eat?
Toast with butter.
Only that?
Sometimes eggs, but mostly toast.
What do you drink?
Coffee. Always coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
Really?
I drink tea.
Every morning?
Every single morning.
I can't live without coffee.
I can't live without tea.
After breakfast, do you clean the dishes?
Yes, I wash my cup and plate.
Same. I don't like dirty dishes.
A clean sink feels peaceful.
After breakfast, I get ready to leave.
What time do you leave home?
Around 8:30.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is it crowded?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music and look outside.
Looking outside feels relaxing.
Yes, it helps me think.
I walk to work.
You're lucky.
Yes, it takes 10 minutes.
What time do you start work?
At 9.
Same for me.
What do you do for work?
I work in a bookshop.
What do you like about it?
It's quiet. I like books.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'm a teacher.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, it's challenging but rewarding.
What do you do when you arrive at work?
I go to my classroom and put my bag down.
Then,
Then I check emails.
do you get many emails?
Too many.
I understand.
After that, I prepare my lessons.
How many classes do you teach?
3 in the morning.
That's a lot.
Yes, but I like being busy.
My mornings are quiet.
Quiet mornings are nice.
Yes, I organize books.
Do you enjoy that?
Yes, it's relaxing.
What time do you have lunch?
At 1.
Same.
What do you eat?
Simple food, rice or salad.
I bring lunch from home.
That's healthy.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
Me too.
But work continues.
Yes.
In the afternoon, my shop gets busy.
I teach more classes.
What time do you finish work?
At 5.
6 for me.
After work, what do you do?
I go home and change clothes.
Same. Comfortable clothes are the best.
Then I sit and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch videos or talk with friends.
I read or listen to music.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most days.
I cook sometimes.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Me too.
Clean space, calm mind.
I agree.
What time do you sleep?
Around midnight.
I sleep at 11.
You get more rest.
Sleep is important.
Yes.
Then the next day starts again.
Wake up, work, eat, relax, sleep.
That's life.
Simple but meaningful.
Everyone has a routine.
And every routine is different.
Talking about routine helps us speak English.
Yes, practice makes progress.
We'll continue talking.
Yes, a lot more to talk about.
Jonas, earlier we talked about daily routine.
Yes, simple everyday life.
Now I want to ask you something personal.
Okay, I'm listening.
Do you ever feel stuck in your routine?
Yes, many times.
What do you mean by stuck?
Doing the same things every day. Wake up, work, sleep.
That can feel boring.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel like time is moving, but I am not.
I feel that too.
How do you deal with that feeling?
I try to change small things.
Like what?
Maybe a new book or walking a different road.
Small changes can help.
Yes, they make life feel fresh.
Sometimes I plan big changes.
Like what?
New job, new city, new life.
Do you really want that?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why no?
Because change is scary.
Very scary.
What if things get worse?
That fear stops many people.
Yes, fear keeps us in the same place.
But staying in the same place can also hurt.
True.
Have you ever taken a big risk?
Once,
What happened?
I quit a job without a backup plan.
That's brave.
Or stupid.
How did it end?
It was hard at first, but later it worked out.
So the risk was worth it.
Yes, but it took time.
Time heals many things.
And teaches many lessons.
What lesson did you learn?
That I'm stronger than I think.
That's important.
What about you? Any big risks?
Becoming a teacher.
Really?
Yes, I was afraid of speaking in front of people.
But now you teach every day.
Exactly.
Fear disappears when we face it.
Slowly, yes.
Do you think people avoid their dreams because of fear?
Mostly, yes.
That's sad.
But understandable.
Life is not easy.
No, it isn't.
Sometimes I wish life had clear instructions.
Like a manual.
Yes, step 1, step 2.
But life is messy.
Very messy.
Mistakes are part of it.
I've made many mistakes.
Me too.
Do you regret them?
Some of them.
Only some?
Others taught me important lessons.
Same here.
Without mistakes, we don't grow.
That's true.
Do you think about the future a lot?
Too much.
Does it make you anxious?
Yes.
Thinking about the future can be stressful.
Especially money and career.
Those worries never end.
How do you calm yourself?
I focus on today.
That helps?
Sometimes.